2 million views 5 months ago, 304,000 views 5 months ago, 296,000 views 5 months ago. All of this was achieved within a short period of time. On average, the channel makes between $2,000 to $7,000 per month. On the other hand, creating these types of videos is not difficult at all. They don't require learning complex skills, no experience, no editing. All that's needed is simply trying, taking action, and following the steps. The account is called Time for Growth. It has 81.9 thousand subscribers and a huge number of views. If you look closely, the views on its videos are significantly higher compared to many other channels. Time for Growth is not a channel with a big team or expensive equipment. Instead, it's a perfect example showing that the right idea plus consistency are far more important than advanced skills or long experience. Most of their videos are short, simple, and clear in message, focused on education, motivation, and personal growth, making them easy to understand and highly shareable. The main reason for their success is that they understood what people want to watch and consistently delivered it. Please subscribe to the account and stay connected with us for more new content. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. Here, we already have the image prompts prepared. You can also ask us, and we will make them for you. CapCut allows you to create many things. Here are the 5 image prompts. Morning wake up, minimalist flat illustration, normal human character, natural colors, waking up early, sunlight, clean background, calm and inspiring, video ready. Learning and focus, minimalist flat illustration, normal human character, natural colors, reading a book, focus and self-improvement, clean background, video ready. Exercise, minimalist flat illustration, normal human character, natural colors, exercising, discipline and growth, clean background, video ready. Planning goals, minimalist flat illustration, normal human character, natural colors, planning goals, productivity, clean background, video ready. Night routine, minimalist flat illustration, normal human character, natural colors, night routine, reflection, calm mood, clean background, video ready. Next, we also prepare the prompt for the motivational story, which talks about the importance of education. Education is not just about school. It is about building your future. Every page you read, every skill you learn is a step closer to the life you want. It won't always be easy. There will be days you feel tired. But remember this, hard work today creates freedom tomorrow. If you invest in your mind, no one can take that away from you. Stay focused. Keep learning. Your future depends on it. Step 2. Go to 11 Labs to create the voiceover. Paste the motivational prompt there. Choose the voice you like. There are many voices available. Pick the one you prefer. This is the one I chose. Then click Generate. After that, wait a little while for it to process. Once it's done, you can download the audio. That's it. Step 3. Go to Whisk to generate the images. Start with the first image prompt. Paste it into the prompt box, then click Generate. Wait a moment and image 1 will appear. Download it. Then take the second image prompt, paste it in the same place, generate it, wait, and download image 2. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the image prompts, downloading each one. This method is very simple and beginner-friendly, even for someone who is completely new. And that's all. Step 4, go to CapCut. Then import the images you want to use. After that, you add the audio that we created using ChatGPT. Next, align all the images with the voice so everything is well organized and smooth. Once that's done, add text to the video. When adding text, choose any template you like from the available templates. There are many options, and this is the one I selected. Finally, export and download the video. Education is not just about school. It is about building your future. Every page you read, every skill you learn is a step closer to the life you want. It won't always be easy. There will be days you feel tired. But remember this, hard work today creates freedom tomorrow. If you invest in your mind, no one can take that away from you. Stay focused. Keep learning. Your future depends on it. Please subscribe to the account and stay connected with us for more new content.